Today we're making a rustic cornmeal muffin with chives. Welcome to Combine to Kitchen. Today we're making a nice rustic cornmeal muffin with chives. This recipe features 2 grains that are grown in Ontario: all-purpose flour, which is made from wheat, and cornmeal, which is made, of course, from corn. These savory muffins make a nice accompaniment to soups or stews, salads, or chilies. So to get started, we'll just put the flour into a mixing bowl. And to that we will add the cornmeal. And to that we'll add some sugar and some baking powder with cayenne, and some chives that have been minced. And we'll just give that a good stir to combine those ingredients. And then we'll just mix up the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. So we'll start with 1 egg, and we'll just beat that up. And to that we'll add a little bit of oil and 1 cup of buttermilk. Just give that a good stir to combine. And then we'll just add the wet ingredients back into the dry ingredients. And stir just until combined. And then the batter is ready to put into a muffin tin. And you can put the muffin tins into the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And your cornmeal muffins are ready to enjoy. For this recipe and other great recipes that feature grains grown in Ontario, visit goodineverygrain.ca.